Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Weight Loss Mindset, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps the channel. And before we get started, I'm not a doctor. I don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey. So please do your homework first. Today marks the start of a new month. It is actually the 2nd of December. We're getting ready to end the year off. We kind of want to end the year off with a bang before we go into 2025. And since we had a meltdown over the holidays, I thought, well, what better way than to get yourself back on track by doing an egg fast for 2 or 3 days and see where it leads to. Maybe we'll do it more than 2 or 3 days. But anyways, the egg fast is pretty simple. It's just basically eggs, butter, and cheese. And according to the YouTubers that I've been following, the egg fast rules are basically simple. Should be really be eating 1 egg in the morning, at least 1 egg when you get up, and then eat every 3 or 4 hours, even if you're not hungry. And you can fix your eggs up any way you want to fix them. Now, this particular YouTuber that I watched the other day, I wanted to get some ideas going forward with the egg fast, so I can change it up so I'm not so sick of eggs, and because they can get pretty sickening and boring after a while. And he made some really good recipes, the Shrinkables that I make, quite frequently, and the scrambled eggs I make in the morning, which I love. Of course, eggs over easy. Now when I have eggs over easy, I cook them to the egg yolk is fully cooked because I don't like the runny yolk too much anymore. And that's what we're going to do going forward. We're going to do the 2 to 3. Hopefully, I'm going to go at least 3 days with egg fasting. And we're going to go back to the old school keto, 16-8 intermittent fasting when that's all done. So probably Friday later on in the week, I'm going to be on 16-8 fast. And I'm hoping going forward that we're going to have a successful journey and reboot our system and get rid of all this unwanted poundage I have, and the bloat. And I want to feel better about myself. The other night I went walking and I did some nighttime photography and I fell and I got hurt a little bit, but it could have been really dangerous. I could have broken something, knocked myself out, and by myself, and then my wife gets worried about me, and so, we definitely want to get back on track with the egg fast, and of course, I have a lot of followers that follow me, and all the great YouTubers below in my show more. Just click on some of those videos to get some inspirational ideas for and see how they've lost weight and stuff like that. Now, for the last 3.5 years, I've been known as Ron's Keto Cafe, and I recently rebooted my name to Weight Loss Mindset. I wanted to get away from the cafe type thing, and so it's going along good. I'm thinking about possibly in January when I get a new phone with a new phone number. I'm going to be changing my. I'm going to be doing a whole new YouTube channel, and I don't know what the name's going to be. So if you got any suggestions for me, let me know. I thought about loving it on keto or something like that, or loving keto, but there's already names similar to that, and I kind of really don't want to copy somebody else's name if I get around it. YouTube's okay with it, but I just, I don't want somebody to be typing in a name and they'll jump over to my site thinking that it's theirs, So I don't play those games. And so that should be successful. Now, the reason why I'm getting a new phone is because I want to go back to work, and I want to make sure my wife has a phone, so if she needs to call me, she'll be able to. We only currently have the one phone right now, and so it's been really a heck of a battle with me all year long, guys. I've been in such a state of depression. It hasn't been funny, and so we're definitely going to get back on track, and with God's help and you guys' help, you guys keep me encouraged and motivated that we'll get through this together. Now, on the it's recommended that you eat organic eggs, but I get what I can afford, guys. There's no difference in the price of the eggs, too much of a difference in market basket. Like, I go get the Pete's organic eggs or cage-free eggs, and market basket sells them for $3.99 a dozen. Every time I go there, I get 2 or 3 dozen eggs, and that typically will last me a few days. Now, in the morning when I get up, I'm usually eating eggs by 1 or 2 hours into my morning, and I'm usually up around 2:30, 3 o'clock every morning, So to me, that's like a half a day gone by already when I had my first meal. So I did, for example, this morning when I got up, I had I had 3 eggs and I had like 6 sausages or 8 sausages or whatever was in that package, and then I ended up with the coffee that I had and the coffee cream, and then I put everything all in the carb manager to see what it was, and on the macros I had 11 carbs already gone for the day. So you can see how it can all quickly add up, and if you're only doing 20, I mean that's already blowing 2/3 of my meal for the whole day. And so I want to go back to being more mindful of what I eat and what I put into my mouth and eat the right proper foods. And according to Jess from Keto Rewind, she was saying that, and another YouTuber, same thing. You know, try to eat as many healthy greens as you can, on green vegetables, and stay away from the sugary fruits and stuff like that. There's a lot of fruits that are really restricted on keto. You know, and that's why I wanted to go to Weight Watchers, and I'm thinking about it. I go, I don't need to get Weight Watchers. You know, yeah, the insurance is going to pay for it. So what? I mean, I didn't really feel out of place. I felt okay there, but I just, you know, I just didn't want to do it no more. I just didn't care for it. You know, I want to do my own thing. I go walking a lot. You just got to be careful. We're getting into the winter months now, so I got to really be careful when I go walking. Got to make sure I dress for it, and as far as my job goes, I'm hoping to start a new job this week. As a matter of fact, as soon as they call me up and schedule it for me, so I won't be so bored that way. But again, it's only seasonable, or it'll run to the end of January. And she said if you want to stay on, if it works out good for me and them, they'll keep me on. You know, and maybe eventually it'll lead to full time, but I really don't want to work full time. I just want to work 2 or 3 days a week, or even a couple of days, and I'm good with that. And it's only for 6 hours at a time, so it's not that bad with a 45-minute lunch break at Marshall's. And so I think it's going to be really good for me going forward, and with your encouragement and my believing in faith and God and Jesus, and you know, with the new administration coming in, of course, we should be fine going forward. And it may be a little bumpy start for the first few months, you know, of the new takeover, but I think we'll be fine going forward. And so I'm really looking forward to keep inspiring you guys, and I'm going to keep this channel open and continue posting weekly updates on this channel. And when I figure out what the new name will be for the new YouTube channel, I'll let you know. But if you guys got any suggestions for me, let me know. But I have to have the keto word in it. Now, Anita, she has a YouTube channel called The Ketogenic Woman, and she's interviewed me a couple times before, and she's on every Sunday night at 7 o'clock taking Q&A. She does carnivore, keto, BBBE, the Lion Diet, she does a lot of different types of fasts, and she lost a significant amount of weight and a much healthier person today. She's about my age, and so I want to thank her, but you know, I even thought about the Ketogenic Man. There's nothing out there called the Ketogenic Man. Would that be copywriting her name? So let me know what you guys think about that particular name. It would be just the new name would be the Ketogenic Man if I decide to go that way with it. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm just, like I said, I'm just getting ideas in my head about how I want to go about doing the new name and setting it all up with a whole new series of videos with a nice cleaner channel, and we'll see what happens after that. But if you're watching for some recipes, I'll be posting some so my starting weight for the egg fast is around 280. And again, I don't know how much weight I'm going to lose during the egg fast, but my goal is to lose about 6 pounds. So we'll see if I can achieve that goal and see how long I can do the egg fast for. But I'm going to try to do the egg fast for a minimum at least 3 days. If I can hack it for 1 or 2 more days after that, I'll keep going with it. I have 3 dozen eggs in the house right now, and I got plenty of butter, and I got some cheddar cheese and some American cheese. Next time around when I go get cheeses at Market Basket or Hannaford's, or even Walmart's, where I'm going to start buying the block cheese and the Philadelphia cream cheese, because I like the cream cheese, and I haven't got any cream cheese on hand right now, because I recently went through my refrigerator getting rid of some older stuff. So when I go back to keto, what I'm going to do is go in my pantry. I got some keto stuff in there. I don't know how old it is and whatever, because I hadn't been doing that in quite a while. I'm going to get rid of all that stuff, and I'm going to just start fresh. So this month when I get my check, I'm going to do a grocery haul for keto, I just pick up a few keto stuff, and I'll keep adding to it every time I do a grocery haul, and show you how to do all that stuff there. And then and then I'll start doing some Carb Manager when we go to the website Carb Manager, and show you how to log in food. And but you can do my Fitness Pal if you got and there's some other ones there. But I've gotten familiar in how to use Carb Manager. I don't like my Fitness Pal; it's confusing for me. And but they got like with Carb Manager, they got a free version and a paid version. Right now, I'm on the free version because my subscription ran out. That runs me about $40 a year. I think the difference is like it gives you more variety, different options here with the paid plan. I mean, I'm okay with either or. But that's all I wanted to say. But I hope you join with me with the egg fast. And if you don't want to do the egg fast this week, maybe you can start it another week and let me know how you did. And if you have done egg fast before, let me know how successful you were at it. And maybe you can share some recipes with me then to help me and help other people that follow me. But anyways, again, thank you for coming along with Journey. Hope you have an amazing day, and hope you had an amazing holiday. And let's go right into the weight loss. Let's not wait till January to do this, guys, because every day's a new adventure. And I strongly suggest there's no time like the present to start a weight loss. But anyways, have an amazing day, and we'll talk to you on the next video. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.